Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Locate the nearest emergency eye wash before any hazardous work begins. Stations must be reachable within 10 seconds or about 55 feet from work areas. Keep the path clear and unobstructed at all times. Verify signage, lighting, and accessibility before starting tasks. Inspect caps and nozzles for cleanliness and damage. Confirm water is available or that the plumbed unit is operational. Report any accessibility problems immediately to safety personnel for correction. Activate the eye wash with a single motion using hands, foot, or lever control. Position your eyes directly in the flow while holding the eyelids open with fingers. Gently roll your eyes to ensure all surfaces are flushed during the process. Continue flushing both eyes continuously for at least 15 minutes after initial exposure. Remove contact lenses as soon as possible and continue flushing if removal is delayed. Keep breathing normally and avoid rubbing the eyes at any time. After the initial flush, always seek professional medical evaluation for chemical exposures. Provide rescuers with the product name, concentration, and the duration of exposure if known. Document the incident time, actions taken, and witness names for safety records. Rinse clothing or face areas that contacted the chemical according to instructions. Do not attempt to neutralize chemicals in the eye without medical guidance. Clean, test, and replace eye wash supplies after any use, and perform weekly activation checks to ensure readiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.